Warlocks, wizards, sorcerers, and bards. Today we are talking about 5 unique ways to use Prestidigitation. First of all, what is Prestidigitation other than a very difficult word to say? Prestidigitation is a cantrip or a 0-level spell. This means that you spellcasters can cast this at will without using a spell slot. If you don't know what I'm talking about, we've got a whole video on spellcasting right here. Check it out. This spell is incredibly versatile as it allows you to create minor magical effects, right? This can be anything from making a coin disappear and reappear to cleaning up a small spill or even lighting a candle. The possibilities for this are endless and limited only by your imagination. So let's get into those 5 unique ways to use Prestidigitation. First of all, you can use it to create a small diversion. For example, let's say you're in the middle of a heist and the guards are getting too close for comfort. You can use Prestidigitation to create a little bit of light and noise, some screams, or even flames, just enough to distract them and give you the time you need to make your escape. Second, you can use it to create a temporary light source. This is perfect for when you're exploring a dark dungeon or a spooky forest and you don't want to waste a precious torch. Just use Prestidigitation to create a little ball of light that will float along with you and last an hour. So many possibilities. Third, you can use it to enhance your own performance. If you are a musician, you can use Prestidigitation to create a beautiful light show to accompany your playing. Or if you're an actor, you can use it to create special effects for your big scene. With a little luck and the blessing of your DM, you might just get advantage on those roles. Fourth, you can use it to do a little light housekeeping. For example, if you're staying in a rented room and the sheets are dirty, you can use Prestidigitation to clean them up. Or if there's a stain on your shirt before the big ball, or if, let's be honest, if you're still covered in the blood from this morning's kill, it's a great way to get all of that shame and death off of you. And lastly, you can use it for communication. The spell allows you to leave marks or symbols, so if you have any thieves in your party that no thieves can't, this is a great way to communicate with them. Or if you and your party have created your own unique symbols, you could use Prestidigitation to communicate without anyone else knowing. So there you are. Those are 5 unique ways to use Prestidigitation. This spell is super versatile and can be used in so many different ways, as with a lot of spells pretty much. Ultimately, it's up to you and your imagination. Get creative, have fun with it. Personally, I love giving up utility spells for more flavorful and fun ones. It makes the game more challenging and more fun. Leave your own fun and strange uses of Prestidigitation in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your displacer beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.